Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Honor 6X, lost password or hard reset. Power of the smartphone, press and hold the volume up plus power buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Release the held keys when the Huawei logo appears on the screen. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data or factory reset option. Confirm the selection by pressing the power button. Once again, choose wipe data or factory reset from the menu and confirm with the power key. To restart the device, select reboot system now and press the power button once. This operation will be completed when the welcome screen appears. The hard reset operation typically takes a couple of seconds. Remember, all your data will be removed during this process. After the reset is complete, your phone will revert to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.